All right, guys. Okay, we're back. That okay? That okay? Okay, there you go. There you go. All right, guys. Anyway, let's go to the next page. Anyway, the nighttime sky. At the end of the day, you look at the window. So, what's going on at nighttime? What do you see at night? You see the moon? Yeah. Okay, we got the moon. What else do you see at night? Stars. We got stars. Yes, I hear stars from everybody. Everyone got stars. All right. I get Kobe. We're okay? Kobe, okay? Kobe, it's okay. I got it to work. It's okay. What was that? Anyway, it's okay now. It's okay.
Okay.
We're okay, Kobe? All right. Anyway, yes, we got stars in the sky. What else can you see in the sky? What else can you see? What else can you see? What happens if you live in Finland or Canada? What can you see at night? Does anyone know? Aurora lights. Aurora lights. It kind of looks like this. It kind of looks like a wavy. It looks like lights. It looks so beautiful at night. It has aurora lights. You can only see it at nighttime. Every winter in Finland, Sweden, Norway, Iceland, Greenland, Canada, you can see aurora lights. It's so beautiful. Nowhere else in the world you can see it. You cannot see it in Taiwan. You can only see it in these countries. Okay? Oh, and if you live in America, there's Alaska, and you can see it in Alaska. All right? Anyway, let's continue. All right. Next. Okay, how does the moon glow at night? Why does it glow at night? Does anyone know why?
Because the sun.
Because the sun what? The sun, what does the sun do to the moon?
The light.
The light goes to the moon and
It makes the moon shine.
it makes the moon shine. Okay. Thank you, Andy and Clark. Yes. The light hits the moon and it makes the moon shine. So what happens is when the light from the sun hits the moon, it reflects like a mirror.
Yeah.
That's the reason why you can see the moon at night. When you can't see the moon at night, it's because the earth is blocking the light from the moon.
Sometimes we can see the moon.
And sometimes you can't. Sometimes the earth, our planet, blocks the sunlight to hit the moon, okay? Sometimes you see half crescent and then no moon, new moon, full moon. All right. Anyway, and sometimes you'll see red moon or maybe a different color moon is because the air oxidizes with like certain chemicals.
The zombie.
Yeah, it looks like zombies, yes. It looks like blood or something, but no, it happens because chemicals. It's kind of like when I mix blue and red, what color does that make? Yeah, you remember? That's a chemical reaction. If I get baking soda and I get vinegar, it goes shh, like a volcano. It's called chemical reaction.
I think this year had the red moon. If I didn't say wrong.
Yeah.
Because my teacher said it had the red moon this year.
Yeah, so this year probably be red moon. And there's a chemical reaction in the air. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes you'll see a moon, and then you'll see a ring around the moon. It's like, what's this? It's like a reflection. It's kind of like a light reflection. I can't explain it. But it has to do with science, guys. It's all science. Okay. All right, everyone, let's move on back to our workbook B. Let's go back to workbook B, okay? I need you guys to go to page 27. 27, okay? Page 27, workbook B. Page 27. Yes. Page 27, okay? Everyone okay? Shh. My guy. All right, number 8 and 10, 8, 9, and 10. All right, number 8, Clark. The sun is the closest star to the sun is the closest star to the earth, okay? Is that true or false? That is true. Yes, number 8 is true. Number 8 is true. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay, number 9, I'll give to Zoe. True or false? False? Yeah. All right, nice job. And number 10, Andy. If you watch,
all day is moved
across,
across the sky.
true or false?
False.
Huh? What is it? Huh? True? True? Okay. I didn't hear you. That came out.
He said false.
I heard true. I didn't hear him. I didn't hear false.
False.
Okay, so we got TF, and that is correct. True, false, true, false. My guy. This guy. This guy.
She's
Kobe. My guy. All right. Anyway, let's please go to page 37. We need to do some review. Page 37. 37. Please go to page 37, okay? I need you guys to please read this page carefully. I'm going to give you a minute after we're done reading, okay? All right. All right, number 1. I'm going to give number 1 to Clark. Turn on. Chinese? Okay, sentence?
Please turn on the light.
All right. Next, number 2, Zoe. Oh, Chinese. All right. Number 3, Andy.
Oh, Andy.
Andy. That's Kobe. Andy Huang.
And it's invisible.
Prevent from.
Nothing can prevent him from going.
All right. Next, number 4, Kobe. Keep from.
Curving him from
Chinese.
I keep the children from going out.
What?
All right. Next, figure out. Clark. Figure out.
Figure out. We did. I can't figure out what he's trying to say.
All right. Next, we got give birth to. Zoe. All right. Next, number 7. Andy Huang. Give up.
Give up someone. He doesn't give up
Easily.
easily.
He gave up.
Give up to an old man.
All right. Number 8. Kobe. In advance. Monthly rent. Advance. All right, next, listen to. I'm going to give this one to Clark. Listen to.
Listen to.
Mhm.
We are listening to.
All right, number 10, listen up. Zoe. A minute, yeah. Listen up a minute. All right, be able to, can. Andy Huang.
That boy is able to jump very high.
Okay, number 12, get out. Kobe. Get out. Get out.
Okay. I couldn't get out of going to the
Wedding. Yeah. Get to, Clark. Get to.
Get to. True. He got to the office at 2.
All right. Get in touch, Zoe. All right, get up. Andy Huang.
I got up at 7 early morning.
All right, nice. Thank you for the reading. All right, next one, we're gonna play a game, okay? Well, kind of. If your sentence is really good, I'll give you some points, okay? So for example, I'm gonna call you guys one by one. I'm gonna start with Andy, then Clark, then Zoe, then Kobe. So anyway, we're gonna go through each question one by one, okay? I want you to make your own sentence. If I go to number one and I go to Andy, I say, Andy, can you give me a sentence for turn on? Please do not read this sentence, make your own. For example, turn on. I will turn on the lights when I get home. Okay, turn on. I will turn on my video games when I get home. All right, turn on. Please make your own sentence. Do not use the sentence in the book. I will not give you points. Depending how good it is, it could go from 1 point to 3 points. Okay? Please make it good. All right, Andy, are you ready? Or do you need one more example? I'm ready or one more example? Huh? Ready or one more example? Ready? All right, Andy. So, one more time. Clark's right here. Are you ready or do you need one more example? I'm ready? Okay, Andy, the first word is turn on. Please make a sentence. I go home and turn on the lights. One more time?
I go home and turn on the lights.
All right, that's pretty good. I'll give you 2. Remember, your points can range from 1 to 3. If you're like Kobe might say, I turn on lights. Why? You know, okay. Anyway, number 2, we got turn off. I'll give this one to Clark.
Okay. Turn off the air conditioner right now.
I will turn off the air conditioner right now. It's hot in here.
Oh no.
You're crazy. My gosh. All right, I'll give you 2. I'll turn off the air conditioner off right now. All right, next, number 3, we got prevent from. I'm going to give this one to Zoe, prevent from. From coming in? I'm trying to prevent him from coming in? Yeah? All right, I'm trying to prevent him from coming in. That's pretty good. I'll give you 3. That's pretty good. All right, Kobe, you got keep from. I need you to make it your own sentence, keep from. 3. That was pretty good. My mom keeps me from playing video games. Andy Huang, number 5, figure outs. Figure out.
I could figure out this question.
I can't figure out his question.
Yeah.
I'll give you 1. That was okay. I don't know. I would never say that in English, but it was okay, I guess. It was okay. All right, Clark. Number 6 is give birth to.
What? Mom give birth to me?
My mom gave birth to me. Nice. I'll give you 3. All right. Next, Zoe, you have give up. Really? All right. That's pretty good. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Next, we got Kobe. Kobe, you have in advance. Can you make a sentence? Why look at me like that, buddy? What's going on? In advance. What can you do, Kobe? Come on, Kobe. No, you gotta come up with your own sentence, buddy. Own sentence. Come on, Kobe, in advance. Try to use it in a sentence. Come on. It's so easy, Kobe. Come on. You did one with video games. I'm pretty sure you can do it again. Come on. Like what? Come on, Kobe. Advance. Come on, just a sentence. Just one sentence. I need to at least give you a point. Come on. I don't know in advance. What? Can you come on, try to come with some sentence.
Too small.
What do you want to do to play video games? Really? You do my, I do my what? I do my, okay, can you do that? I do mine. 2. Okay, I'll give you 2. I'll give you 2.
Oh.
Respect. All right, Andy Huang.
Oh.
Andy Huang. Listen to. Very easy.
I listen to music.
There we go. Look at that. That's like the easiest one. Look at that. 3. Okay, Clark, you have be able to. Oh, I mean, listen up. Sorry, listen up.
Guys, listen up.
The guys listen up.
Guys.
Huh? Let's try to think about that. So we got to listen up.
Everybody listen up.
Everybody listen up. I'll take that. That's pretty good. I'll give you 3. Everybody listen up. Okay, next. Next one's pretty hard. I'm gonna give this one to Zoe. Be able to. Be able to, Zoe. Yeah, very shiny, right? I'll give you 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, next we got get out of. Kobe. There you go, get out of. What? Can I? Can I?
I think it's your question.
This guy. You smart with me? Huh? You smart with me, Kobe? Can I get out of this question? All right, next, Andy Huang, you got get to.
I get to the coffee.
I get to the coffee? I get to the coffee.
I get to the subway
I get to the subway.
to visit my friend.
I get to the subway to visit my friends.
Mm.
I'll give you 2. That's not so bad. I need more context, but anyway, Clark, you got get in touch.
I get in touch with my friend last weekend.
I got it. All right.
Right.
I'll give you 2, Clark. You should have said I got in touch with my friends last weekend. That's tense, buddy. Not so bad. Okay, Zoe, you got the last one. Get up. Easy. I get up early and it's very hot. Okay, that's not so bad. That's not so bad. I'll give you 2. All right. Is everyone okay? All right, we still got time. So does that mean I get to play a game with Kobe? Yes? Yes. I get to play a game with Kobe, okay? All right. So anyway, guys, I want to go back to the story, and I'm gonna ask you some questions, okay? I'm gonna ask you some questions from the story. Are we okay? I'm gonna go back to 252. Let me ask you some questions. Here we go. I'm gonna go back. All right. Here's the question I have to ask in the book. I'm gonna ask you some questions because I couldn't finish the questions. We had to go to the next segment of our lesson. All right. Anyway. Here we go. Does the earth spin around the sun or does the sun spin around the earth? Does the earth spin around the sun or does the sun spin around the earth? Yeah, the earth spins around the sun, right? Yeah. All right. Good job. All right. Yeah, let's go back to the story, okay, guys? We got a little bit ahead. Yeah. Oh, no problem. Oh, yeah, we got to start back up. Okay. All right, next question, real quick, guys. Does the moon go around Earth?
Yeah.
Yes, or does it stay still? It spins around the Earth. Thank you, Clark. The moon spins around the Earth. All right. How long? So one more time. How long does the moon take to go around the Earth? How long? how long does the moon take to go around Earth? 1 month, Zoe, yes. It takes 1 month to go around Earth, okay? All right, everyone okay? All right, next question. How many, So does anyone know how many phases the moon has? Does anyone see in the book? How many phases does it have? Huh? 8? We got 8 phases? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's correct, Clark. It has 8 phases. 8 phases. Okay? Yes, the moon has 8 phases. All right. Next question. All right, what? Hold on, guys. So next question. How many stars are there? Is there too many, or can we count all the stars? There's too many to count, right? There's too many stars to count. We don't know. We don't know how many stars there are. There's too many. All right, there's a bunch of stars to count. But yeah, that's a pretty good answer. Yeah, good job. Yeah, there's too many to count. Way too many. All right. Which one's closer, the moon or the sun? Huh? The what? The moon, yeah. Good job, Zoe. The moon, yes. The moon is closer than the sun. All right. Is the moon cold? Is it cold only? Is it hot only? Or is it cold and hot? It is cold and hot, yes. If the sun shines on the moon, it gets pretty hot. If there's no sun on the moon, then it's cold. So it's cold and hot. It depends where the sun is pointing at the moon, okay? Are we all right? All right, it's just a question I wanted to ask. Okay. How many days in a year? Does anyone know? How many days in a year? Anyone remember? We kind of talked about it earlier. Close. You're very close. You're very close to it. It's 365 days. Or if it's leap year, it's 366 days. Good job. I'll give you 2 for that. That was really good. All right? Okay. Next, everyone. Does anyone know how many hours in one day? Does anyone remember? 24 hours. Yes, we have 24 hours in one day. Yes. All right. What else do you see in the sky besides the blue sky? What else do you see?
Clouds.
You see clouds? Okay, yeah, clouds. What else do you see in the sky? Just clouds? Like airplane? No. Yeah, mainly clouds, right? Clouds, and maybe sometimes you see birds, but yeah, clouds are the main one. All right, I'll give that to Clark. Yes, clouds are the main things you see in the sky. All right. Do clouds change colors?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, if it rains, right? It kind of looks gray or black.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, sometimes clouds can change colors to gray or black. Yeah, all right, that's pretty good. I get the 2 points right there. Okay. All right. And I have a question for you. What time do you go to bed? All right, I'm gonna start with Andy. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. What about you, Clark?
What?
I go to bed at 12 at midnight? Wow. All right, Zoe. 10, plenty of rest. A good student right there. Kobe, what time do you go to bed? 2 a.m. in the morning? Oh my goodness, that's 12? Really? Oh, okay. All right, that's pretty good. All right, thank you. Just curious. Didn't get to ask that question. All right. All right, anyway, guys, let us close our reading book. Okay? All right. I want to play a little game now. I'll play a little game with you guys. Are you ready? No, we already finished. I just wanted to go over the book because we didn't have enough time. And I thought it was a little behind, but we caught up. All right. So anyway, if you guys want to open, you guys go open Back to Workbook B. I want to play a little game with you guys, okay? Please go back to page 37. We're okay? Yes? Yes, yes, yes. All right, if you wish to check the game, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, okay? All right, so here's the game. I'm gonna do a gesture, okay? It's kind of like charades. I'm gonna do a gesture, and you gotta guess what 1 through 15, which one I'm doing, okay? Can you guys do that? On page 37. If you're on page 37, I'm gonna do a gesture, and then you gotta make a sentence. Okay, are you ready? All right, please pay attention to my gesture. I'm gonna try my best, okay? Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna do a gesture. Here we go.
Get up.
Huh?
Get up.
Get up or give up?
Get up.
Get up?
Give up. Get up. Hey, 不是
Get up is like waking up.
give up.
Give up? Okay, can you make a sentence with give up?
Don't give up.
Don't give up? All right, I'll give you a point for that. All right, nice. So yes, the first gesture I did was give up. All right. Next.
Yeah.
Next. All right, ready? Try and guess what gesture this is. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Turn off, all right? Can you make a sentence with a turn off? Yeah, please turn off the lights. Yep. Nice. All right. Yeah, so we got to turn off, okay? So these are the 2 words we got so far.
Okay.
Turn off, okay? Are we okay, Clark? We're good? Andy, come on, Andy. I want to get something for you. Come on, Andy. Do you remember? All right. If you need help, you can use the book as a reference, okay? All right, here we go. Next one. All right, ready? This one's going to be pretty hard. Please look. All right. It's really hard. Figure out. Zoe, yes. Figure out. Can you make a sentence using the word figure out? I can figure out what the teacher said. All right. Nice. Nice job, Zoe. Yes, figure out, okay? Figure out. So let me write that down on the board. Figure out, okay? Okay, next. Next, everyone. Here's the next gesture. Please pay attention. This one's also a little hard. A little hard.
What?
No. No, you're close.
What?
Any idea?
Prevent from.
Close. You're getting closer.
Keep from.
Yes. How do you use keep from in a sentence?
She keeps from closer to. Wait.
Close. You're getting close. Go ahead and work on that. I'll give you time. She. She keeps or keep?
She keeps.
Keep.
She keeps.
She keeps me from what? You said she keeps me from?
From getting closer.
Getting closer, yeah. She keeps me from getting closer. That works. All right, thank you. Thank you, guys. That was the last one, okay? All right, thank you. Erase the board. All right.
Okay, so
All right, guys.
thank you, Teacher Paul.
Thank you, guys. See you. See you.
And take out your communication book, please. Communication book, please. Yes. Oh no. 哦，teacher，我们在联络部诶。啊，
就再一次这样。
我可以先拿。
不要。
手抖症。
对，